What's up, guys? This is a bike check 2019. I got black SC grips, and then I got the blue ones mismatching. By the way, this bike's like pretty much stock. This is a 2019 SoCal Flyer. Yeah, this is basically stock. I got the stock pads, stock pegs, stock tires. I got this brake pad. It kind of makes it better when you're tapping. But I totally actually suggest this because not only is it like really comfortable, it's just like it just makes tapping a lot more comfortable. And I also have donuts, but they got wet earlier, so I just trying to dry them out right now. Um, I'm probably gonna be getting a big flyer soon. So 2020 bike check, probably gonna see a big flyer. And also I'm gonna get hookworm tires for the big flyer, and probably some ODI grips. I'm about to get ODI grips for this. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram at I'm Aidan McCarthy, and add me on Snapchat at I'm Aidan McCarthy.